Hello friends, you are welcome. Now we have to electric field is given. Electric field is given and we have to derive an expression for potential at a point or for potential difference. So how can do this? So in this case, actually we have to bring charge from infinity. Charge is already kept at infinity and we have to bring this charge uh, at this point P. So in this process, what should be done against the electric field? We need to work done we need to do work against electric field actually to bring this charge. So we know the from definition of potential and one very important thing here that should be must mention, charge is bringing from infinity, so work will be done against the field. So in this case, for work done against field, work done will be change in potential energy. There will be no minus sign here. If work done by the internal field, okay, then in that case we put here minus sign, but here work is doing against the field, that's why W equal to work done equal to change in potential. So according to the definition of electric potential, as it is defined as work done per unit charge to bring charge from infinity to a point, so according to that definition we can write change in potential equal to work done by charge. Okay. So further it can be written as VR minus V infinity, because why V infinity here? This is the electric potential at infinity, because we bring charge from infinity, that's why infinity V infinity. So this is potential at that point P at distance r from Q. So VR minus V infinity. So this can be written in this form. We know that potential energy or either potential energy or potential at infinity becomes zero. So one can write electric potential at this point VR equal to UR by Q. So one can derive expression. You know what is the value of when you bring this charge Q here. So expression for potential will be 1 by expression for potential energy 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q, that already present from earlier, and now we brought charge Q here. So Q divided by a small q. This will be cancelled, and finally we have expression for electric potential 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. So if we have to find electric potential at a point P at distance R from a charge, so one can write potential easily V at that point at that distance equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Better to write P, because we have to find electric potential at P. So it can be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Okay. But now if electric field is already given, because here work is going against the electric field, so electric field is given, and now we have to express electric potential. So we just hold this definition, del V equal to work done by charge. So it can be also, one can also write infinitesimal change in potential dV equal to dW by dQ. And we know that work done, expression for work done, like infinitesimal work done, infinitesimal means very small work done, F dot dr. And the important thing is here work is going against the field. So force can be written in terms of electric field, charge into electric field, but there should be minus sign, because the direction of electric field is in this direction, and an agent or work is doing against this direction. That's why a minus sign here. So dW further can be written as minus QE dot dr. So we just put this expression for dW in this expression for infinitesimal potential. So finally we will have dV equal to minus QE dot dr by Q, and infinitesimal potential can be written as minus E dot dr. So to determine potential at point P, means at distance R, what we have to do, we have to perform an integration from infinity to R, because we are bringing this charge from infinity, that's why infinity, and finally it comes at point P, that is distance R from origin or any charge distribution. That's why a minus sign already here, it will be integrated from infinity to R. So this is the final expression for potential. And I can also write here V infinity, but we know that VR minus V infinity, but we know that potential infinity will be 0. So electric potential if electric field is given, so can be easily expressed in this expression. So okay.